Okie dokie. Now we're going to look at this one. Now there's a pendulum, there's a ball hanging with two strings attached to the ceiling. So now you want to calculate what is the mass of the ball. So if the force exerted this way is 4 Newton, we want to know what is the force exerted upwards. So I'm sure all of you have done this kind of question which I'm drawing right now. If the theta is here, if this is F, what is this? This one becomes what? F sine theta or F cos theta? Correct. So that F sine theta. How about this one becomes what? F cos theta or F sine theta? Anyone? It's F cos theta. Good job, Sridharan. If the angle is here, where you can see angle is touching the axis, that will be cos. Right? Now, we are breaking this apart. So you're drawing a straight line upwards. So the straight line upwards, when this ball is hanging by a thread, what is the downward force called? Yes, very good, Sridharan. Downward force is known as weight, W. So weight is pulling the ball down. But is the ball going down or moving up, or it just waits, just sitting there, not change?
Not change, right, sir? Because the weight pulling down and going up is the same.
Yes, correct. So the weight pulling up and pulling down is the same. Very good, Sridharan. So this is called R. R is called the real force. So the force of W and the force of R is the same. If the force of W increases, the strings will rip apart. The force of R increases, the ball will start to float, which is rarely the case. So now we already know there is two forces, R and W. So far, anybody got any questions? If this is your F, is this way, pointed this way, what will your F here become? Sin theta or cos theta?
Yeah.
Okay, is the angle here, is it touching the axis or not touching?
Not touching, right?
So not touching means we use cos or sine?
I don't know, sir.
Just told just now, ma. Yes, see the F sine theta. Because if it's not touching the axis means F sine theta. If it's touching means you're looking at this one, and look at this one. If touching means it is F cos theta. Yes, good job, Siddharan. So this one is known as, this one is called F cos theta. Yes, correct, Siddharan. Yeah, correct. So here's F cos theta. Okay, so far people, this F cos theta is because of one string. But since we had another string this side, right? So what we think you have to do? You have to plus with another F cos theta. So how many F cos theta now? F cos theta plus F cos theta you get? You'll get? Ishika?
What is that, sir?
F cos theta plus F cos theta, what do you get? Ishika?
The one you are writing on 2F first.
2F cos theta. So now the 2F cos theta is equals to the real force pointing upwards. So what is it equals to? Equals to your W, correct? Very good, Ishika. So Rishika, what's your F now?
So
Yes,
why
correct. That's
asking
4,
me?
right? So put that 2 and here 4. What is your cos theta, Rishika? Just now it was 120, so half of this, yes, good. So it's 60. Good job, ma. So this is cos
Sir,
60
did she
degrees.
even answer?
Yeah, she answered. So cos 60 equals to W. What is W equals to, Rishika? Yes, correct. M G. Good job, ma. Okay, next one. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times cos 60. Cos 60 is equals to half. So equals to mg. M you don't know. What is g, Rishika? Yes, good job. 10.
Yeah, very good.
Ah, Rashad, smart girl. Not like your boyfriend. Next time. 8 times half, you get 4 equals to 10m. So what is the m value, Rishika? Yes, good job. 0.4. Is the answer there? So what's the answer, Rishika?
0.4, sir.
Yeah, ma, good job. See, smart girl. Okay, please write the working down, guys. Okay, next one. Diagram 5 shows the track for 200-meter event. An athlete has finished the race in 25 seconds. What is the velocity of the athlete? So what is velocity? Displacement over time, right? So what's the answer you guys get?
T.
Ma?
T answer.
Tatuங்களா Sabrina, was that?
150 divide 25.
Exam.
150 divided by 25. So what's the answer you guys
Yes,
get?
sir.
Get 8.
C, sir.
6.
C.
6.
6. Okay, good
Six.
job. Answer is 6. Pantah ya, you all are damn smart. Because you have to take
Yeah.
tempat dia mula dengan tempat dia akhir. This is displacement. This one is distance. The 200 meter is distance or jarak, but is sasaran or displacement is 150. Where they start, where they end.
Sir.
Yeah, ma.
Sir,
Yeah, ma.
I- question.
Yeah, ma. Soluma.
Sir.
Yeah, tell ma.
Sir. Sir, if okay, let's say they only give the 200 meter, they never give the displacement. How are we supposed to find the
Then Rishika, you won't get the answer, ma. You won't be able to get the answer if they don't give you 150. Unless they
Sir,
give you like a rectangle,
don't
then
give
they
a-
give. You know, ma?
I mean like Sir,
What is it?
ஆனா நான் கேக்குறேன் நான் கேள்வி.
I'm listening. Tell ma.
Yeah, okay, they give the 200 meter, they don't give the 150 meter,
Okay.
but they want the velocity. So
Okay.
how are we supposed to find the 150 meter to find the velocity?
Okay, let me ask you a simple question. Okay, simple question right back at you. Wait, let me pause the video. So, I've also explained to you about this one the last time. They give you a ticket tape. Raja Nam menunjukkan satu carta pita yang menghasilkan troli bergerak. Okay, jangan besar 50. Okay, whenever they give you 50 hertz, what is the time? What is the formula?
0.02.
Yeah, 0.02. So F is equals to 1 over T. So F is 50 means then 1 over T equals to 0.02. So T is 0.02. So how many ticks you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right.
Yeah, ma.
So, first of all, who's that?
Yes.
So now, always remember, calculate the U using the length of this. The length displacement they give you is 4. So the number of ticks, if I'm not mistaken, looking at this diagram is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 0.02 will give you 0.1, correct? So it's 4 centimeter divided by 1.0. Wait.
0.1, sir. How is it 1.0?
Oh, sorry, just testing you, ma. 0.02 times with 5 will give you the u. But then now this is centimeter. You need to change this to.
Meter.
Do you need to? Let's check the question. No need. No need to change to meter because they give you in centimeter per second. So no need. So how much you get?
40, sir.
You get 40, ma. Good job, ma. So u is 40. Thanks. Good job, given.
Hey,
So you get 40.
இதுதானே உங்க அண்ணா பண்ணப்ப? என்ன பிரச்சனை?
You know, it's called, it's recorded, right?
Sir,
And
the
what is the V now? What is the length? The next one for V. The length is 24, correct? 24 divided by the same time, which is 0.
214.
02.
So the answer is D. Saumya. Saumya. Saumya.
Yes, sir. D.
Yeah, ma, D, correct. So what's the V you got, Saumya? Sabrina?
V 240.
So you get 240. What is the total time you dapat, Sabrina?
0.5.
Nama?
0.5.
0.5. So take that and use the formula. Gunakan the formula V minus U over T equals to A. And then you'll get how much again, Sabrina?
400, sir.
Get 400.
400.
Tell people quickly. Okay, next one, number 7. A force is applied on an object. Which of the following will not occur? So, will the object speed up?
Yes.
Why?
Yes, yes.
Why?
Sebab ada daya.
Yeah, the dye. Because if this is an object, oh my god. Okay, if this is an object, oh my god. If this is an object, and then the object is it moving or not moving, we don't care. But we give it a F. Since F is equals to ma, and a is acceleration pecutan, so therefore there will be acceleration on the object. That means the object will have initial velocity v, dia akan ada end velocity v. So since ada u and v, that means ada perubahan halaju, there is change in velocity. So therefore the answer A is correct. Will the shape of the object change or not?
No, sir.
It might change because of inertia. So let's say this is a something, an object. When the moment you apply a force, let's say this is Hemrubin's face. Yeah, buddy. Okay, and then we have Sridharan punching his face. So one punch. So what will happen to Hemrubin's face? So Hemrubin's face is not moving in the beginning. So therefore, but Sridharan's fist is moving. So Sridharan's hand is moving fast. So it's actually exerting a force on Hemrubin's face. Because of inertia, will Hemrubin's face will move or try not to move?
Will move.
Will try not to move. Will resist movement. That's where the front part of the face will go inside.
Basketball elastic what, sir?
But then,
Basketball elastic what, sir?
can't understand.
If basketball means basketball,
What about basketball, buddy?
Oh, the ball hit the face, the one.
Ball hit the face. Now the face also will get damaged or you can break your nose.
if a ball drop down, sir, it will bounce back, sir.
That ball is rubber, what elastic, what so obviously it can bounce back. It can reflect back.
So they didn't say what object, sir.
Yeah, but any object also, if you kick a ball, the ball will bend first, what?
Okay, sir.
Now you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Did you see the shape of the ball changing?
Yes.
80 times slower. Change or not?
Yes, sir.
So anything which is because of inertia, that's why the shape changes.
Yes, sir. Underwear, sir.
Why not wearing it?
Sir, understand, sir. Understand.
Really, in other pictures, no need, right?
What's the penalty for losing?
This is same Ruben's face, Sridharan's ball. See? This is 200 times slower. See, even your tongue also get thrown the other side. This is 1100 times 20 times slower. See, the ball also gets deformed on your face. See, even the nose bone. Oh my god. Okay, so this my point is made. Next question. The mass of the object decreases.
No.
No, the mass of the object will remain the
Same.
same. Unless if you're kicking sand, some part of the, let's say a ball made from sand, you kick the ball, obviously the thing will change. But now they're talking about a normal object, assuming that the mass is intact. The shape of the object makes the, so usually the mass won't change. The direction of the object and the motion also will change. The answer is C. Next one, 8. 8. Diagram 9 shows the plasticine and a feather being dropped. Okay, both objects are being dropped. Remember, I showed you a video of this, how it looks
Yes.
like when you drop a ball and a feather. Do you also remember?
The speed is same, sir.
Sir, the speed will be the same if it's in a vacuum, right?
Yeah, my.
Yeah, sir, you showed us that video, remember?
So the bowling.
Sir,
Yeah, ma.
I remember you showing us that video.
Yeah. This is in a vacuum. The function of this room is to suck out all the airs out. So there's no air friction anymore. So eventually, yes, both will land at the same time. Okay. So now the question is, which of the following objects true? The velocity of the plasticine and the feather are constant. Is it true?
Yeah.
No.
That's correct. The rate of the velocity of the plasticine and the feather are the same. Is it
Sir.
change of velocity? Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
what is Panjalaja, moon exploration?
Is this related with this question?
Yeah, it's being dropped during the moon exploration.
Okay, moon exploration means does moon have gravity or not?
Huh?
Does moon have gravity?
No.
Pardon?
What, sir?
No.
Yes, moon have gravity. If moon doesn't have gravity, then you'll have this. Have you watched this one before?
Oh, yeah, sir.
Okay, if it doesn't have gravity, will they be able to walk or not?
No.
Can you see how they're walking? They're walking faster or slower?
Lower.
They can easily bounce and jump because the gravity there is much more weaker. 1/5 of Earth's gravity.
Oh. Okay. So therefore, this question, is it in a vacuum environment or in a normal environment?
Was that?
Therefore, this question, is it in a vacuumed environment or in a normal environment?
It's not vacuum environment.
Okay, sir. So
No,
if
it's,
it's not
it's
in a
vacuum environment because there's no air on moon, right? Is there any atmosphere on the moon?
no?
No. So so it is vacuum of space. So if it's vacuum of space means that means the velocity of the plasticine and the feather must be the
Same.
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 Is it same? Is it same? No, I'm asking you all. Is it same?
Yeah.
How about the rate of change of velocity? Rate of change of velocity means the acceleration. So the acceleration of the plasticine and the feather must be the same. Is it true?
Yes.
Yes, because the gravity in the moon is constant. But since this is a very tricky question. How am I going to explain to you guys? Never mind. So B is the most suitable one, correct? Because the rate of change of velocity means the acceleration of the plasticine and the feather are the same. But since in the moon, see that's the problem in answering Malaysian questions, because they assume that now in this question they're going to assume that moon got its air, so the air will make it will both drop at the same time if moon and air. Hello?
No, it won't lah.
Yeah, it won't lah. So we will assume that the velocity of the plasticine and the feather are different, correct?
Yes.
The feather will drop much more slower. And then how about the
Yes.
momentum of the plasticine and the feather, are they the same? No, because the velocity is different means momentum also will be
Different.
different because mv. So they still use
Yes.
velocity. The plasticine falls faster than the feather. Is it true?
Plasticine.
Yeah,
It's
it's
a
not
golf
even
ball,
plastic.
right?
Yeah, they put a golf ball, but they talk about plasticine. Will the plasticine fell faster? What is the meaning
Yeah.
of fell faster? What is the meaning of fell faster?
Faster than the other one more lah.
They didn't say
It
fell
touched-
first. They said fell faster. That means it's accelerating faster. Accelerating. That means acceleration, is it the same?
No.
No, it's the, I mean, acceleration is the same lah. But now they say plasticine or the golf ball fell faster means the golf ball is accelerating faster. So it's not true. So answer is B. But this question we assuming moon got air. Put a note there. Assuming moon has air. Instead of the moon exploration, they could have just say drop on Earth. Okay, guys, it's already 6:22. What I want you guys to do is do the rest of the questions, and then later what I'll do is I'll share the answers, and then the next thing I'm going to do is, but none of you have sent me the answers except for Hemuruban. So please send me your answers. Only then I'll send you the answers to the questions. Remember, these are very, very important questions for your SPM, this coming SPM. Okay, guys? If you have any question,
Yes,
you can post it online. So the next class will be on Saturday, I think. No, Friday. So I'll see you guys on Friday then. But in between, we might have extra classes. Let me know if you guys are free, then we'll have it.
Okay,
Free,
sir.
But I'm actually happy that a lot of you have joined today compared to the previous days.
Free only, sir.
Okay, take
Sir,
care, guys.
relative free.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, buddy. Take care, buddy.